find the vector projection of B on A where vector A and vector B are given. Now, vector projection of vector B on vector A, this is equal to dot product for vector A and vector B upon magnitude square of the magnitude of vector A with vector A. So, we are getting now this is equal to vector A I cap plus k cap dot 7 I cap minus 3 k cap. Now this is one thing upon square root of vector A 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square with vector A I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. Is it clear? So now this becomes 7 minus 2 minus 3 upon square root of 6 whole square plus k cap. This is equal to 2 upon 6 1 upon 3 1 upon 3 I cap minus 2 upon 3 j cap plus 2 upon 3 k cap. This is the answer.